What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Mini Brands figures are basically tiny art masterpieces, from the micro sculpts to the painted details. This time, we will be opening and trying to collect 48 of these mini art figures in NBA Ballers Series 2. And we're opening one every single day. Let's unbox Capsule 1. Let's crack it open! What? Tiny basketball. Ooh. And there's a little card. Jimmy Butler III. Woohoo! That's our first. Oh my god, this is awesome. Woohoo! Look at that. They have tiny Butler the Third, number 10. Look at the incredible detail on this figure. It's awesome. Oh, what a piece of micro art. Master list time. What? And we got white jersey. Which mini masterpiece are we adding to our gallery tomorrow? Drop your prediction in the comments, hit subscribe, and I'll see you back here tomorrow for day 2.